I'm here now with Webster, VCL for Wizards of the Coast.
Hey there,
Webster,
how's it going?
Thanks for coming out and help us out.
Thank you.
We have the character builder here, and
yes.
he's going to give us a few quick tips and a run-through.
Oh, absolutely. This is the D&D Insider Character Builder. This will be the first of 3 things that are rolled out. This will be rolled out first, followed by the character visualizer, and then finally the game table. And what this is how you would build your character using this character builder. It's a very simple program to use. As you can see, the rules come up during the character creation process. So if you want to know everything about a Dragonborn, all the information from the book is right there.
Right.
So the first step you do is select a race.
Okay,
what sort of race?
I want to go with human because I'm so
Absolutely.
exciting.
So then you would select choose human.
Choose human.
Okay, now you have a free language to select.
Dwarven from his days of working on the docks.
There you go, and a prompt comes up with the next step.
Okay.
Next up, you select your character class, and again, it has the rules right there.
We want the rogue, creating a rogue, trickster, brawny, bam.
Okay, now the builds are absolutely optional, so you can skip that step or select it. And you've got rogue tactics.
And we'll skip the rest, so
you want to select one of the rogue tactics, and go to the next step.
Alright.
And here's where you generate your ability scores. You've got different methods: standard array, custom build, rolling the dice.
So I can just keep
And you can adjust the
dice.
dice. You can keep rolling dice to get what you want. But you'll notice the points are different, and there's a little icon that's hidden underneath this, but it shows that it's house ruled. So it's not a standard character.
I just rolled it. Alright.
You just rolled it, but it's outside the normal rules.
Okay, so now that I've done rolled, I'm happy with my...
Okay, so now you also down here, it adds the ability scores and racial modifiers.
Right.
You also have add +2 to one ability score of your choice, as for being human.
Alrighty.
Dexterity, so now you select next step. And now you get to select which skills you're trained in.
Alright. I think of myself as very athletic and acrobatic fella. Never misses a trick. Scare the purse off an old lady. Doesn't get too lost in the streets, and you know, is filled with nothing but bluff.
There you go. Now we hit the next step. Now you get to select a feat. You have one for your level 1 and one for a human.
Okay, so level 1 feat. So what do you suggest?
Level 1. Well, anything is really good. Let's see, got all kinds of things. Toughness gives you additional 5 hit points. A fire throw, long jumper, quick draw. You can also purchase proficiencies, such as special weapons or shield.
Let's take a look at that. So how about proficiency with a great club?
Okay. So you choose your feat. Now you have a second feat for being human.
Let's give improved initiative.
Okay, looks good. Next step. Now you get to select your powers.
Okay. Oops.
And you'll notice that the powers also pop up over here.
Right.
So it's a great handy way to compare them when you decide what you want for your character. You've got your encounter powers. And finally your daily power. Okay, now that you have that selected, the next step is to select equipment.
Okay, so equipment, all right.
There's a drop-down box for the filter.
Okay.
And you can select from armor, weapons, and adventure gear. That's what we have so far. You could also have a checkbox to hide things that you can't afford.
Money?
Yes.
These cost money?
Yes, they cost money. And to buy it, select the buy item.
Oh, we're so all over that.
Yes.
Okay, so we got our weapon. We need some armor. And does it say what I can wear?
Not yet. Okay. But it will indicate down here when you can't wear it.
So that means I can only go with the leather, right? Is that the right one?
Whoop, is that the leather? Yeah, that's leather. Whoop, you click on the leather. Item, that's fine. And the last thing you'll need is the standard adventuring gear.
Adventuring gear.
Adventuring gear. There's a standard adventuring kit right there, and that gives you the bedroll, the 50 feet of rope, the water skin.
Awesome.
Okay.
10-foot pole?
Unfortunately, no.
Okay. People with that.
Yeah. The last step will be details. And details is where you put your character's name and various descriptions. So, as you can see, it's a standard character sheet. This is where you can check the numbers.
And everything's already filled in?
Everything's filled in. All the numbers are calculated for you.
Now I can just hit print?
And just hit print, and it will print out.
All right,
okay, so the printer's over here.
All right.
And here are your character sheet.
Awesome. All right, let's see. Show this here. Look good? Can you see that?
It's a standard D&D character sheet.
What else do we have?
Best of all, it comes with power cards.
Oh, neat. Well, that's awesome.
Yep.
Very cool.
Very
When is
cool.
this going to be out?
It's going to be out soon.
Soon?
Yes.
They trained you well.
Yes, they have. Thank you.
Rob, thank you very much.
Absolutely.